Good morning. I'm Praneel Kumar from Standard 9E and today I'm going to speak a few lines on the topic Universal Law of Gravitation by Sir Isaac Newton. So before directly going to the topic, let us see a story. When Sir Isaac Newton was sitting under a tree, an apple fell on him. He was amazed and astonished and he proposed a theory that there must be a force attracting between the apple and the earth which attracted the apple towards the earth, and he named this force as gravitational force. Now we will see universal law of gravitation. This law states that everything in this universe attracts the other thing with a force which is directly proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Directly proportional means that if a quantity increases, then the other quantity will decrease, vice versa, which means that if the mass increase, then the gravitational force will also increase, and if the mass decrease, then the gravitational force will also decrease. But it is not same with the distance, r square. If the distance increases, it is inversely proportional. So if the distance increases, then the gravitational force will decrease, and if the distance decreases, then the gravitational force will increase. Now with these two equations, we will see the formula. So F proportional, we will add a sign of proportional. M1, M2 whole divided by r square. If we remove the sign of proportion, we have to add a constant which is g. The value of g I am telling you that you have to note it. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. So F is equal to g m1 m2 whole divided by r square. And to derive the unit, what we have to do, I am telling you, the unit of force is Newton. So N is equal to g. We know that it is a constant. The value of mass is kg. So m1 m2 is there. So kg square. And in the whole divide, it will come meter square because the value of distance is meter square. And we will take, except g, we will take all the things to the LHS, not the RHS. So it will be g is equal to Newton meter square whole divided by kg square. When we will take kg square towards the up, then it will come as Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. Not 2, it is to the power minus 2. Now we will see the daily life examples of gravitation. For example, when an apple falls on earth, it is an example of universal law of gravity. When the earth revolves around the sun, it is also an example of universal law of gravitation. Tides, spring tides, high tides, they are also an example of gravitational force. So at the last, I would thank you to watch this video and stay connected, and thank you for watching my video.